spirits are on the bench, as well as the table. Can you, spirit, say something? Was that a spirit that just went?